What if you could track your heart rate, stress, and even detect sleep apnea all without a screen, subscription, or bulky device? Well, you can with this. This is the RingConn Gen 2. It's the world's thinnest and lightest smart ring with a battery that lasts up to 12 days, and it might just be the smartest wearable you're not wearing yet. I'm Kwan, and I've been using it for the last few weeks. Let me tell you more in this review. So quick background, RingConn isn't just trying to be another smart ring company. The whole vision is about proactive health, combining hardware, software, and services to basically give you deeper insights into your body before things go wrong. And honestly, that's the direction health tech should be going. Now let's talk design, because this is where I think the RingConn Gen 2 really stands out immediately. This could easily be the world's thinnest and lightest smart ring, because we're talking 2mm thickness, 6.8mm width, and just 2 to 3 grams in weight. When I say you forget you're even wearing it, I mean it. And even better, it's made from titanium, fully waterproof up to 100 meters, IP68 rated. You can swim, shower, workout, whatever. It's built to last, available in a whole range of different colors, and I've been wearing it during travel, training, and even sleep, no issues. Here's something I didn't expect to love, which is the battery life, because a lot of other smart rings, the battery life isn't great, but with this, it really is. I mean, it sounds too good to be true. Very, very impressed by this. RingConn says you should get between 10 to 12 days. I'm averaging about 9 to 11 days with this, which is already very, very good. But the thing that pushes it over the edge is this portable charging case, which is included. And this is really easy because you just put your ring in there and you can close it. You can charge it with a USB-C port on the back. This thing holds its charge as well, and it will give you an additional up to 150 days worth of charge when you combine the two of them, which is really, really impressive. All right, let's get into what this thing actually tracks. So you've got the basics like heart rate, HRV, body temperature, blood oxygen, sleep cycles, even stress. But here's where it really pulls ahead. RingConn Gen 2 is the first smart ring to monitor sleep apnea, and it uses your sleep patterns and oxygen levels to estimate your apnea-hypopnea index. And after a few nights of data, it gives you a risk score, so you can catch potential issues before they become real problems. Now, this feature alone sets it apart, especially for those of us who travel a lot or feel exhausted even after 8 hours of sleep. It can give you some ideas on what to explore further with your health professional. Now, obviously, with the RingConn Gen 2, there is no display on this. I mean, that would be an interesting concept to see in the future. But the fact that there is no display on this means that the only way you can interact with your information, with your data, is through your smartphone. You'll be happy to know that this isn't just for iOS. There is an Android version, which is going to be great because it means that you're not tied into one ecosystem or one smartphone company. You can purchase this and use this on your iPhone or your Android device, which is a big plus and bonus. I think that's a big benefit in my experience. Now, the app itself, I mean, it's clean, it's minimal, it's surprisingly full-featured. You get, full trend views, you get daily reports, which is great, and summaries all in one place. And the fact that there is no subscription, I absolutely love that, because that means that the data is yours forever. You don't have to pay for a monthly subscription or a yearly subscription, because given in 2025, there are a lot of health tracking options out there that do use this model, and I find that very, very difficult to recommend. I just don't understand why they're doing that. Perhaps for specialist software, I can get that, but you don't have to worry about that with this RingConn Gen 2, and I think that's a big, big bonus. However, there are some kind of issues and some things that I wish could be improved from the app. To begin with, the app could be slightly better organized in terms of layout. There's a lot of data, which is great, but it can feel a bit scattered if you're new to wearables. Also, I wish it had the auto workout detection. Right now, you have to manually log walks, runs, or rides. It's not a deal breaker, but it would take this app to the next level. So after using it daily, here's a quick rundown of what stands out and what could be better. As far as pros, no subscription fees, all the features are unlocked out of the box. The sleep apnea monitoring, I think literally this is the only smart ring doing this right now. The insane battery life, the ultra thin and lightweight, IP68 waterproof, and that titanium build. As far as cons, the app design could be better structured. There's no auto detection for workouts, and the sizing kit might take a bit of trial and error. Bear in mind, this isn't a replacement for a fitness watch if you're a hardcore athlete. But look, for $299, the RingConn Gen 2 delivers serious value. And right now, you can get up to 20% off on Amazon or 25% off when you buy 2 rings directly from RingConn's website. A quick tip, make sure to order the sizing kit about a week ahead so you get the perfect fit. fit. And I'll post all the links down below for you to get also a discount on that. Let me know in the comments if you want me to compare this with other fitness trackers. Hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video here on RingConn Reviews.